Hey guys, before we get started, I know what you're thinking. Yes, it is a Tomei. Alright, now, a while ago, I posted a cold start of my 2009 Subaru WRX narrow body, and I had a couple questions regarding how I fit this Tomei Expreme Ti on my car. Because from factory, these are single exit. So what I did is I took a piece of cardboard and I cut out this shape onto the piece of cardboard and I traced it out onto this side. As you can see, before it was like this, and I took a Dremel and I cut it out. I don't know if you can see that, how well you can see that. Now it's not the cleanest cut, but you know, it's not noticeable. And also I had another question about how I got it to fit, because from factory the downpipe is a 2.5 inch. So what I did is, I don't know if you can see, but I cut the flange and I welded it a 3-inch flange straight to it. Alright. There's my Civic EK hatch. There's my Subaru Civic. Let me go ahead and get a quick start for you guys. Take a look. Let's take a listen. All there is to it. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if it helped, thank you for watching.